Channel, and today we're going to be making miniature slime. What you're going to be using is a miniature bowl, a miniature container, and a miniature spoon. And you're going to need to put the glue in the bowl. Once you got the glue, sorry about the background noise, it's just my TV. Once you got the glue in the bowl, now you're going to need to add in the baking soda. And you're going to need to add in the contact solution. Once you got the contact solution in, you need to start mixing. Once you got that mixed, you're going to need to start kneading it. Once you got the slime all made, you need to put it into the container. If there's not enough slime, just make more. Now I'm gonna add some tiny some tiny glitter stars. Now you need to knead. Once you got it all mixed in, then you're done.